Hi, we're talking about setting up my Inspire 1 for better turns. As you already know that the Inspire 1 actually has pretty terrible expo settings. When flying with the Inspire 1 trying to turn left or right, you do get some inconsistencies as the faster moving expos and the slower moving expos isn't a smooth transition. To resolve this, I found a product out on eBay where you can put elastic bands on the joystick itself. It's basically an O-ring where you put over the joystick housing, and there's some divots where you can place some elastic bands. In theory, this gadget should push back towards the center of the joystick, thus giving you a smoother turn as it stays within the slower moving expos. Here's a demo of a orbit around a stationary boat. As you can see, I'm turning fairly slowly. I recommend you use stronger elastic bands than the ones supplied, as I found out that pushing back with force is much better for the orbit or turns. I hope that this video has helped you in your flying and your orbits. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channels for some more hints and tips. And I'll see you again.